In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical lines on MetaTrader 5. This is a handy skill that will allow you to better mark important timeframes or moments on your trading charts, helping to enhance your analysis. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure that you've opened MetaTrader 5 on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. And then select the specific chart you wish to analyze. Once you have your chosen chart in front of you, take a moment to examine it and decide exactly where you would like to add your vertical line. This could be at a significant point in time, such as an event you are monitoring, or a specific opening or closing time you find important in your trading strategy. Next, direct your attention to the top of the interface, where you'll find the menu bar. Here, you'll see several options like File, View, Insert, and so on. For our task today, we need to focus on the Insert option. Simply click on Insert to unveil a drop-down menu that offers a variety of chart elements you can add. These elements range from technical indicators to various types of lines. In the drop-down menu under Insert, hover over Objects. This will trigger another menu to appear on your screen. This menu provides options for different lines, shapes, and annotations you can apply to your chart. Locate and select vertical line from this list. By doing so, you've armed yourself with the tool needed to add a vertical line to your chart. With vertical line selected, move your cursor over to the chart. Now comes the step where precision matters. Approach the chart and click at the exact date and time where you want to place your vertical line. A simple click will draw the line vertically, extending it both upwards and downwards across your entire chart window. This marks your chosen point in an easy-to-see manner. After placing the vertical line, you might find you want to adjust its position based on new data or insights. Thankfully, MetaTrader 5 makes this process straightforward. Click on the vertical line you've just established, and, while holding the click, drag it to your preferred date and time. Release the click to drop it at the new location, ensuring your chart remains clear and informative. These steps are universal for any chart you're analyzing within MetaTrader 5, empowering you to customize your trading environment and focus on key moments that matter most to your strategy. And there you have it, a clear and effective process to add and manage vertical lines on your MetaTrader 5 charts. I hope this tutorial enhances your trading analysis. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on MetaTrader 5.